In today's video, I want to help you to remove background from your signature from A and look like B so that you'll be able to use it in your document just like this one. So simple guys, and it's neat. So it looks like you send the document for yourself. So to achieve this, all you have to do is to watch this video to the end. But guys, if you are new here, please kindly subscribe to this channel. So let's start from scratch. Let's open a new document by typing on Ctrl N to open any document like this on your device. The first thing you have to do now is to come to the insert button here, click on this picture from device and put in your picture, your signature here like this. So if you have not getting your signature, you can scan your signature, you can send your signature through WhatsApp, through any means. And I've done that. The next thing you have to do is to resize this signature a bit so that I'll be able to see what's on the screen. So let me reduce the size, and you can see that if you double click it, you cannot take it. Now once you click on it, then come to this position button, click on it and click any one of these just for you to be able to move it around. Now that I've done that, you see that the signature is too big and there are some things that I want to cut off from here. Click on this word that says crop, click on it to bring out this information. Now that you have this information, move your mouse over it until it comes out like this, then click on it and drag to this place. Make sure that you do it like this. Then to the second side, cut off all the white part of this signature from it. Make sure that you not cut off your signature. So let me keep cutting. Let's do it perfectly so that we not cut part of our signature. Now you've cut it off. Now click outside. Now you have something like this. The next thing you have to do now is to go to this button where you see insert, click on it, then go and click on shape. You can pick any shape of your choice. Let's pick this one, then come to this place and drag and drop like this. Now that I've drag and drop, you have something like this. Right click on the shape, then go to wrap edit, then click on behind the text. What it does mean is that it revert it bring the picture, your signature up while the shape is at the background. Now that I've done that, the next thing you have to do is to right click on this shape itself, then go to this button that says picture format, click on it. Once you click on picture format, it brings out like this. You have this option that pop up. From this one, just go to the next one, this particular picture. So once you click on this picture, click on picture correction. Now you have this option. We are going to deal with sharpness, brightness and contrast. So let's begin with the sharpness. Put your mouse here and drag towards the side. Let's keep adjusting, drag it until it gives you 100%. Here is what you need. We want it to bring out this whitish color of a thing. Then the next one is brightness. Drag brightness to this side, keep adjusting, keep until it turns white. You can see that every dams of your signature is appear, and this has to do with the kind of paper you use for your signature while you're sending it. So you need to adjust this to suit your purpose. Then contrast as well, drag to the end. The contrast is at 100%. Now let's drag it out of this place and see if it blends with the paper. You can see that it's not blend with paper, but it's not done yet. So take it back to this place and have it like this. Now the next thing you have to do is that once you have it like this, it's simple. Now click on it, double click on it, then click on this color button, scroll down until you get to this transparent color, click on it. When you click on the transparent color, you have this button that comes up, then click on the white. You can see that it has been removed. The background has been removed from it. Drag it out. Now you cannot delete this shape you've added before. Just click and delete, then close this page. Now here is your signature. Now with this, you can now resize your signature to suit any page, any part you want to put it. You can see, just resize your signature to suit any part you want to put it. So now that I've done that, you can now copy it, copy your codes, then go to wherever you want to put your signature. Let me open a new page. It says I want to put my signature somewhere else here. Let's say here. So let's just, as a case study, say sign. Let's change this to area black. Then we have it here. Let's put this column, then Ctrl V, it brings it to this interface. Then you can now drag it downward, resize it until it suits the purpose you want. You can see. So let's take it back. Let's drag it a little bit, drag it a little bit, drag it a little bit. Boom. You can see that we've been able to add our signature and we've been able to remove the background of your signature. So that's all, guys. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to then drop your comment in the comment section. I see you soon, guys, on my next video.